कांग्रेस नेता सुप्रिया श्रीनेत का बड़ा बयान सामने आया है। उन्होंने कहा कि भाजपा नेता राहुल सिन्हा के संबंधित आरएसएस सदस्य शांतनु सिन्हा ने कहा है कि भाजपा आईटी सेल के प्रमुख अमित मालवीय घृणित गतिविधियों में लिप्त हैं। वह महिलाओं के यौन शोषण में लिप्त हैं। सिर्फ 5 सितारा होटल में ही नहीं बल्कि पश्चिम बंगाल में भाजपा कार्यालयों में भी। हम भाजपा से केवल यही चाहते हैं कि महिलाओं को न्याय मिले। हकीकत यह है कि पीएम मोदी के शपथ ग्रहण के 24 घंटे से भी कम समय में भाजपा के एक बहुत ही प्रमुख पदाधिकारी आईटी सेल के प्रमुख के खिलाफ यौन शोषण के गंभीर आरोप लगाए गए हैं। आज हम अमित मालवीय को उनके पद से तत्काल हटाने की मांग करते हैं। यह एक अत्यंत प्रभावशाली पद है, यह शक्तिशाली पद है और इसकी कोई स्वतंत्र जांच नहीं हो सकती। जब तक उन्हें उसके पद से नहीं हटाया जा सकता, न्याय नहीं हो सकता है।
It has come to light not by us. It has come to light by members of the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh who are on record. A gentleman by the name of Shantanu Sinha, related to Rahul Sinha, an office bearer of the BJP in Bengal, a member of the ABVP, a prominent member of the RSS there, has said that the BJP IT cell head, the fake news factory that Mr. Amit Malviya runs, he has alleged that Mr. Amit Malviya has indulged in nefarious activities. He has indulged in sexual exploitation of women, not just in 5-star hotels, but in BJP offices in Bengal. And the only thing that we seek of the BJP is justice for women finally. Whether it is Hathras, or Lakhimpur, or Shahjahanpur, or our most decorated athletes, or Uttarakhand, or Bilkis Bano, the Prime Minister has consistently given political patronage and support to perpetrators of the crime. It's high time you stand with women. It's high time you stand with India's daughters. And unless and until you do not answer their plight, you have no business to be in power. The reality is, less than 24 hours after the Prime Minister has been sworn in, very, very serious charges of sexual exploitation have been leveled against a very prominent office bearer of the BJP, the head of its IT cell. But is it to anybody's surprise? The IIT BHU gang rape, if you remember, and the 3 people involved, Saksham Patel, Kunal Pandey and Anand Chauhan, all members of the BJP IT cell, all extremely close to senior leaders of the BJP, including Narendra Modi. This is a pattern. It's a pattern, whether it's Kuldeep Singh Sengar or Chinmayanand or Brij Bhushan or Ankita Bhandari's murderer or those who were released, who killed and who gang raped Bilkis Bano and her family. It's a pattern. They're all BJP leaders and each one of them has been protected by Narendra Modi. And so today we seek the immediate removal of Amit Malviya from his position. It's an extremely influential position. It's a position of power, and there can be no independent inquiry. There can be no independent probe. There cannot be justice unless and until he doesn't get removed from his position. He cannot continue in that position of authority and influence if justice indeed has to be done. He is the same man who has perpetrated one lie after the other. He has not maintained any decency in public life. He has not even spared India's first Prime Minister, Nehru. He has publicized and maligned Nehru for images with his sister and his niece. He has cut and snipped Rahul Gandhi's media bites, his statements, his addresses. He has crossed every limit of morality and decency in public life when he leveled charges against opposition leaders.
देश की तमाम बड़ी खबरों के लिए देखते रहें न्यूज़.live।